Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Archway token. Name of the token is Archway, all one word. Ticker symbol is ARCH, A-R-C-H, or ARC, however you want to pronounce it, doesn't matter to me. Their Twitter I'm going to put up right here so you guys can easily find this project. It is at Archway HQ. Very well established project here with 40,200 Twitter followers already. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the Archway token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. They have a webpage, archway.io. You can also find a full document section if you go to docs.archway.io. They have frequently asked questions on there. They have a brand kit, tech stack, security, disclaimer, glossary, join the Archway community, rewards overview, and then just a section where you can learn about Archway. So this token is being listed here very soon on a central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token, it gets listed September 27th. 9 a.m. on Gate, and you can get it by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ARCH, and then buy the token, and that would be September 27th. Now there is a initial free offering, claim now, basically an airdrop event going on right now between September 26th to September 27th, and you can check that out on Twitter at GateIO_startup. They just announced this going on. Now, if you go over to their Twitter right here at Archway HQ, you'll see they have the blue verified check mark, a lot of followers, a lot of tweets, and they're also followed by Bybit, which is another central exchange, so you could maybe get this token also off of Bybit. And yeah, you just download Bybit the same way. Now, if you go to their link tree, which is linked right on their Twitter here, you're going to find all the links real easily. It says introducing Archway is a link, then their website, Archway Connect, Archway Ecosystem, a newsletter, document section, their tech stack, and then their community section. So Twitter, Reddit, Discord, Telegram, etc. And then at the very bottom, there's Area 52, which is another part of this project here. Master COSM, WASM, and smart contracts and Rust. So all sorts of other things that are involved in this ecosystem, basically. So Archway is an incentivized smart contract platform that rewards developers for building on the network with baked-in incentives and rewards. The protocol provides developers with the tools to quickly build and launch scalable cross-chain dApps and receive rewards in the value that the dApps contribute to the network. So Archway's mission, the overarching goal, is to foster an array of diverse and sustainable applications by empowering and rewarding developers who build on the network. The internet has helped democratize access to information, but it hasn't fully democratized access to capital and value. The mission of Archway is to ensure that entrepreneurs and developers worldwide have access to opportunities comparable to those of their counterparts in more developed nations. Built into the protocol, Archway rewards developers based on the value and impact of their dApp rather than based on the connections or close ties to funding. This will level the playing field for many who are locked out of this world of raising capital. Unlike early Web 2, Web 3 platforms, entrepreneurs and developers building on Archway receive an annual stake in the growth and governance of the protocol itself. As all contributors are rewarded, architectural overview, Archway is a Cosmos SDK blockchain powered by Tendermint for the network and consensus layers. The network utilizes modified Cosmos modules to manage the inflation and reward systems, including minting, responsible for minting tokens and managing inflation. Staking manages changes to validators. Governance supports the one vote per one token voting and governance system for token holders. IBC inter-blockchain communication protocol that enables asset transfers across Cosmos blockchains. In addition to using the predefined Cosmos modules, Archways employs 2 custom modules for additional network features, like rewards, which calculates the distributed rewards to smart contracts based on the transaction volumes that it brings to the network, and tracking, which enables the tracking of gas consumption on per transaction basis. Archway creates a Cosmos SDK-based chain on the support of the WASM smart contract execution that rewards developers for using their deployed smart contracts. So they go over the difference between smart contracts and Cosmos chain on their page here if you want to read all about that. Now they have tons of information about the rewards overview. They also have join the Archway community tech stack, frequently asked questions on here. Some of the frequently asked questions would be like, what is Archway? Why Archway? They talk about gas rebates, subsidized gas fees, fund a DAO, all sorts of stuff like that. So how can you contribute? Now, at the very bottom of their page, you can learn about the technical overview, technical papers, documentation, GitHub, Area 52 Academy, grants and programs, just you name it, blogs, newsletters, so much information on here. Like, it'd take me forever to go over all the info regarding this project here. But yeah, go check it out. Archway is being listed soon on Gate. Go check out this event that's going on now where you can get airdrops on Gate's Twitter at GateIO_startup. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Archway? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.